Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Indian Chieftain. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 84,092 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire is at 430 seconds and the rear is at 530 seconds. We took this bike on a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the rear TPMS is inoperable. We've posted the service repair order so you can see the parts and labor we invested in this bike when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are chips and chrome peeling on the front fender, scrapes on the bar end, paint chips and scratches on the bottom of the saddlebag, and a scratch in the chrome trim peeling on the front fairing. This bike has one fob and comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, TPMS, keyless ignition, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, navigation, an electronic windshield, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with a 116 Stage 3 engine kit, a Stage 1 intake, Indian slip-on mufflers, 14-inch handlebars, Avon grips, saddlebag guards, an LED headlight, and LED driving lights. This bike has a reconstructed title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trade. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.